Namaskar and welcome. I am Sikka. In the next few minutes, we'll be getting you the top news of the last 24 hours. On March 23, a Surat District Court held Congress MP Rahul Gandhi guilty in the 2019 criminal defamation case over his remarks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's surname. BJP MLA Purnesh Modi lodged a complaint against Rahul Gandhi's remark on Modi's surname, wherein he repeatedly asked Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, Narendra Modi, how come they all have Modi as a common surname? How come all the thieves have Modi as a common surname? On April 13, 2019, at a rally in Kolar. Furthermore, he added that the name Modi symbolizes the collusion between India's biggest crony, capitalist, and the Prime Minister of India. On March 23, the National Investigation Agency conducted searches at 3 locations in Nagpur in its ongoing probe in the Ghazwa Hind case that is linked to the radicalization of impressionable youth over various social media platforms for carrying out violent terrorist acts. The residence of the suspect involved in anti-national activities and the radicalization of the youth through social media were among the locations searched by NIA officials. The Ghazwa Hind case was initially opened by NIA on July 22 last year at the Fulwari Sharif police station in Bihar. On March 22, a Delhi court remanded Khurram Parvez and Irfan Miraj to National Investigation Agency's custody for 10 days in a case registered under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The principal district and session judge Dharmesh Sharma remanded both to NIA's custody till April 1. On March 20, NIA arrested Irfan Miraj from Srinagar. On March 23, UK Foreign Secretary James Cleverly in a statement responded to the attack on the Indian High Commission and called the attack by the Khalistani elements unacceptable. He said that police investigation is ongoing and the UK government is in close contact with the Indian High Commission in London and the Indian government in New Delhi. Rahul Gandhi defies and disrespects every democratic institution, whether it is parliament or the judiciary. He should come out of the dynamic mindset and realize that no individual is bigger than the country, bigger than the people of India, bigger than the constitution of India. Nobody should consider himself above the law, said Piyush Goyal, Union Minister and leader of House in Rajya Sabha.
वीको वज्रदंती, शायद इसमें आपको टेस्ट का मज़ा नहीं मिलेगा, झाग का मज़ा नहीं मिलेगा. अब आप सोचेंगे तो मिलेगा क्या? असर कम प्रॉब्लम्स पर. इसकी 18 जड़ी बूटियाँ स्वोलन गम्स, ब्लीडिंग गम्स जैसे प्रॉब्लम्स को रखे दूर और दांतों को रखे हेल्दी. मज़ा नहीं, असर. अब पेस्ट है, पिक्चर का टिकट थोड़ी. वीको वज्रदंती, इंडिया का गम एक्सपर्ट. मज़ेदार नहीं, असरदार.
The law of India is that if an individual or an organization has been defamed by defamatory comment abuses, then he has got the right to seek redress, but Congress has a complete objection to it. They want complete freedom from Rahul Gandhi to utter abuses, said BJP leader Ravi Shankar Prasad. In the second week of the March 2023, the Indian Army and the Air Force jointly conducted a multi-domain 96-hour air-land exercise Vayu Prahar in the Eastern Theatre to validate joint plan to prosecute synergize multiple domain operations. In Telangana, the Cyberabad police arrests a gang involved in committing theft, procuring and selling of sensitive and confidential data of government, an important organization, and also personal and confidential data of 16.8 crore citizens. The accused were found selling different categories of info through the Just Dial and the similar platforms, said Stephen Ravindra, Commissioner of Police, Cyberabad. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will oversee the destruction of 198 kg of seized drug valued at 1235 crore during the regional conference on drug trafficking and national security in Bengaluru, Karnataka on 24th March. In Punjab, 10 accused who were produced at Ajnala court in connection with the Ajnala police station violence matter sent to 2-day police custody. All the 10 accused are associated with Waris Punjab, their chief Amritpal Singh. 2 FIRs have also been launched against them. In Karnataka, BJP wins mayor deputy post in Kalaburgi City Corporation. Vishal Dargi representing ward number 46 and Shivanand Pisti from the ward number 25 were elected mayor and deputy mayor. Khalistan supporter protested in Raipur against the crackdown on Amritpal Singh. Effigy of Punjab CM Bhagwant Singh Mann burned. Around 50 to 60 people gathered on the street of Raipur in support of pro-Khalistani leader and fugitive Amritpal Singh and accused the Punjab government of conspiring against the people of Sikh religion. Khalistani separatist fugitive Amritpal blackmailed woman with obscene scene, chatted with the married woman, said reports. Pro-Khalistani leader Amritpal Singh, who has been on the run from law enforcement authorities, chatted with multiple women and used to blackmail them with obscene videos. As per a report by a media house, the WhatsApp chat and voice note of Waris Punjab, the chief, revealed that he was actively seeking casual and non-serious relationship with single and married women. In Maharashtra, demolition drive was conducted at the enclosed site of Dargah amid heavy police deployment at Mahim Beach in Mumbai after Raj Thackeray alleged that the Dargah is being built here illegally. In Madhya Pradesh, Elton and Freddy, two male coalition cheetahs, were released in a free-ranging area in Kuno National Park at 6:30 p.m. yesterday. Both are doing well and healthy, informs Kuno National Park officials. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.